Hey traders, I just wanted to show the market orders retesting or spiking up as price was testing the highs on the ES. This is looking at the tick by tick volume and price to come up with market orders and transaction sentiment, or how the underlying trading is being treated. So you could see as we're testing the highs here that market orders spiked up the first time, and then as it pulled back we had another spike, and the sentiment has been rising, and this is a really great indication that the market wants to push through to a new high. In this particular indicator there are a variety of algorithms to pick from. I'm using market orders and transaction sentiment. There's some others that you can choose from: supply and demand, cash flow, volume, momentum, and order accumulation. I like momentum orders and transaction sentiment on the ES for intraday trading to find entries near lows, and also to situations like this one to see how the market's trading as we hit major pivots, supports and resistances. This gives a really good real-time feeling. You'll notice that this has not turned down, it's gone sideways. So if you imagine what's happening here is a bunch of market orders hit, and then very few are coming in. So these large chunks of orders are causing the spikes up. And in general, you can see that they have been buying the orders, whether they're long or short. It's been generally the market's been looking to buy against whatever liquidity is coming in. So the expectation here is that as long as these don't, see a sell, that these market orders are going to support the market. There's enough of them with enough equity to give us a little bit of support here. Another thing that's important is that in the analysis of reading the tape, it's vital that you have an understanding of the backbone of what's going on. In this current situation, I have an analysis that instructs me or helps me know what to look for. My current analysis says that the market is long. We have positive energy flowing into the market, and that we have a bunch of shorts trapped from yesterday. I'm using other indicators to track the tension, to track momentum, and to track the broad market volume. And as long as those traders stay trapped in and the tension stays positive and it's, we have good numbers, then these market orders are going to indicate to me great situations that support that overall analysis that I have. The only time I would take a trade like buy into a signal like this is if I see market orders coming in immediately out of a dip like this. I wouldn't buy with market orders hitting as it's hitting the high. If I were long, I would hold. So this could be a viable entry right here, or it is a viable entry. And your expectation would be that it's going to push up through the high. I wouldn't tolerate retests of this area. We have market orders coming in, flooding the market to push out a new high. So we're just going to sit and wait. All right, I hope that was informative to see how that market orders and transaction sentiment can help determine if a high is being bought up and has an expectation of being broken. And I hope I made it clear the connection between an overall analysis and interpreting this indicator. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at BaconTrading@gmail.com. Check out the indicator description pages that I have on BaconTrading.com to learn more about this indicator.